Pretty night out there tonight.
Love it.
Had a few clouds, and those clouds are part of the tropics, believe it or not. Take a look at this. To the left, that's what's left of Tropical Storm Paul, which will now curve back into the Pacific. But look at the clouds streaming across Mexico, across Texas, right into the southeast. Whoops! We went past to see Rafael, which is still a hurricane, 85 miles an hour, now passing Bermuda. In fact, now exactly 135 miles east of Bermuda. They only experienced tropical storm force winds, some damage, but not as catastrophe as it could have been. Winds are at 85 miles an hour. Look at the speed, north-northeast at 29. I'm going to push this button and watch what happens. Boom! Away he goes. And very quickly up into the North Atlantic tomorrow, Thursday and Friday, and he's an extra tropical storm and no longer an issue. So our clouds are what we are watching. We know the rain from these clouds back in Texas. We're not really worried about that because at the surface there's some very dry air. But the light blue is an indication of some more moist air that's trying to work this way. And here's that front that's going to slide through Thursday into Friday, bringing us our next chance of precipitation. Look at the dry air behind that. So pull out your iPhone and check the conditions from 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. 52 up to 71 degrees by the time we get to lunch. We'll start with clouds, but we'll end with sunny skies as this high departs. Here is that next front. Quite a bit of shower activity. In fact, some severe weather expected in Arkansas for tomorrow, but by the time we get to Friday, 7 a.m., that front is pushing into our area. The threat of showers appears to be late night Thursday into Friday, and here's where the Storm Prediction Center thinks there might be some severe weather for tomorrow. 59 degrees now, 88% the relative humidity. Winds are calm. 74 was our high for the day. Tide will be high at 9:56 tomorrow morning. This is the last really high tide. 9-foot tide expected, but very high tides have been experienced as we've gone through the week. That will not change first thing in the morning. Cool autumn night indeed with the clouds. 52 degrees. Look at the northeast breeze at 3 to 6. It will continue to settle down. 78 for tomorrow. We'll say mostly cloudy. 83 Thursday. There's that 20% chance of showers Thursday night into Friday after the front passes back to 79 degrees with mostly sunny skies and sun, all 70s for the next 4 days after that with overnight lows in the 50s. What a beautiful autumn forecast for whatever you got planned for the weekend, including Skidaway's Marine Science Day on Saturday. It's free and it starts at noon. Great fall weather for whatever you've got planned. Follow us on Twitter at Big John Weather. Have a great day tomorrow.
Thanks, John.
Sure.